When it comes to choosing a niche, the final thing that we need to consider is the CPM and the RPM. CPM stands for cost per mille, which means how much advertisers are willing to pay us for every 1,000 clicks on our video. RPM is what we actually get paid. RPM is the revenue per mille. It's the revenue per 1,000 clicks. So let's say our CPM is $40 for every 1,000 clicks. After YouTube takes its cut, we get $25 or $30 or possibly $35. As explained in the previous section, not all niches are built the same, and not all advertisers pay the same amount per niche. So niche number 1 might be $5 to $10 per 1,000 clicks. Niche number 2 might be $30 to $40 per 1,000 clicks. You should always take this into consideration when choosing your niche. Included in this course is a list of the 100 most profitable niches on YouTube in 2024. And some of them include finance and investing, which is $10 to $50 CPM, technology reviews, which is $8 to $30, health and fitness, $6 to $25, luxury lifestyle, which is $10 to $40 in CPM. Others include real estate, education, travel and adventure, which is $6 to $20, and on and so forth. You have the list included in this course, and I highly encourage you to fill out the section about choosing your niche and deciding which niche you want. And then after, there's the list of the 100 profitable niches that you should take into consideration when choosing your niche. Another thing that you want to consider when choosing your niche, apart from CPM and RPM, there's other methods of monetization on YouTube, like brand deals, there's sponsorships, affiliate marketing links, there's merchandise sales, selling your own merch, t-shirts, etc. There's memberships on the YouTube platform. Whether you want to do live streams or not with super chat stickers, you should think about that as well. And also other membership platforms outside of YouTube, like Patreon, for example. There's a lot of YouTube creators earning tons of money on Patreon using membership exclusive perks. So these types of things you want to take into consideration when choosing your niche. Remember, all the things that we talked about before are primary when choosing exactly what you want to make videos on. But these things should always be kept in the back of your mind.